If you have any leftover rice at home, use it for fried rice. It's simple and delicious. Let's make onion and egg fried rice. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel. There are more than 1,000 recipes in it, and there must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just visit my page or inspiration. Remember to save the recipe now so you may refer back anytime you like. See? Onions are high in vitamin C, which may help regulate your immune health, collagen production, and iron absorption. Let's start cooking now. Overnight rice. Bell pepper, onion, chopped garlic, eggs. Pour overnight right into bigger bowl. Crack 1 egg into overnight rice. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Mix well. Crack eggs into bowl. Cubes bell peppers. Cubes onion. Heat oil. Fried egg and cut into small pieces. Heat oil. Stir-fry onion cubes until translucent. Add bell pepper cubes. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Add rice. Stir-fry evenly. One teaspoon pepper powder. 1 teaspoon salt. optional to add chicken powder. Add fried eggs and mix well. Plate onion fried rice. Garnish with fried shallots. Delicious onion egg fried rice is done. Looks so appetizing. It's easy and delicious. This fried rice has the unique aroma of onions, and you can't stop eating it after one bite. The main reason for using overnight rice is that the rice grains of overnight rice will fully absorb water vapor and become plump. At this time, the inside of the rice is soft, the outside is hard and loose, and the moisture is relatively low, so it is easy to absorb the aroma of sauces and other ingredients. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Onion also a powerful antioxidant that could help protect your cells from unstable, damaging molecules called free radicals. B6. Onions are rich in B vitamins, including folate and vitamin B6. Inflammatory properties. Onions have anti-inflammatory effects that may benefit those with eye inflammations or allergies. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.